Now, the Wabash Valley's most watched newscast continues with Storm Team 10 Chief Meteorologist Kevin Ortley, certified by the American Meteorological Society.
Well, it's been a long time since we've had to deal with the possibility of severe weather, mainly because the month of August was so dry and so quiet. But now here in Springfield, for example, see, there's a pretty good-sized storm. Now, this one is producing some heavy amounts of rain. And back out here to the west, we also have some more storms. It's all part of a complex that is developing out ahead of a cold front. Now, there is a severe thunderstorm watch in effect for all of you who are watching in Illinois. And that covers this entire area all the way back into Missouri. And this goes on until midnight tonight. I was just talking with Storm Team member Pamela Gardner, and I believe that this whole thing will not last until midnight. It doesn't mean that maybe parts of our viewing area might still have a watch up until midnight Illinois time, but I think probably what's going to happen is they'll start shaving this off as these storms develop. There's the first line of rain that went through. Here's the one we're concerned about right now. This is the one that is sparking the possibility of stronger storms, primarily gusty wind and heavy rain. And so this is not a tornado watch. This is a severe thunderstorm watch. But any severe storm needs to be treated with respect, and you need to have a safe place to go. And it's not too early to start thinking about that if you live in Illinois or even here in Indiana. Now, all this is happening out ahead of a cold front that's coming in, but it hasn't passed Moline yet. See, it's still 81 there, but rain in Peoria and Springfield cause it to be 73 degrees. The relative humidity is up there a little bit, 69%, so it's a little bit muggy outside, but we have a pretty good breeze today. We have all day, 10 to about 15 miles per hour. Here's the cooler air, Minneapolis 71, Fargo 64, Billings 70, and so the colder air is right here. And we have a line of storms that went through coming out ahead of the actual front itself, and there is Hurricane Earl, which will have some impact on the east coast of the United States. Here's the front right here. As this goes through tonight or early tomorrow morning, you'll know when that happens because that front will cause a big change in the direction of the wind. The wind will pick up. By this time tomorrow night, the rain will have stopped, but it will be breezy and much cooler. And then for the rest of the weekend, looks like everything's going to turn out to be okay, cooler than what we've had and also dry. Forecast for tonight is going to go for an overnight low of 63. Scattered thunder showers possible, some of them strong, and of course we'll stay around here and keep you posted on Storm Team 10 and on WTHI-TV.com. And tomorrow, high of 76, maybe some early morning rain showers. Otherwise, cooler with a gusty northwest wind, sometimes gusting to more than 20 miles per hour. And then tomorrow night, still a brisk 13-mile-an-hour wind with a low of 49 degrees. And the 7-day forecast, pleasant through the weekend, but warmer with some rain as we get into next week.